If you're looking to study in Austria without paying any tuition fees, then you're at the right place. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about the name of a university where you could study for absolutely free. Now, what's the name of this university? It's the FH University of Vorarlberg, which is not located in Vienna, but in a city called Dublin. Dublin is in the state of Vorarlberg. Now think about it, guys, having to study in Austria without paying no tuition fee. Also in a master's for 2 years, of which if you are the type who likes the big city vibe, then you can move back to the bigger city, which is Vienna, which is more bigger than Dublin. There you have more opportunities as compared to Dublin. But if you are the type who likes smaller cities, then you can also get opportunities after your master's in Dublin. And you might be asking yourself, what are the programs taught at this university? Now, the programs taught at this university are just 2 programs in English, which is the International Management and Leadership and International Marketing and Sales. Here you should have a business background. A related course can also apply for this course. Also, one thing you should do is check the university's website if you are from a non-business background to see the requirement, and if you meet the requirement, then you can apply if you are from a non-business background. Another thing you should take in focus is that these programs are part-time programs. So what this means is that they are taught only on weekends, and then you have the opportunity to work during the weekdays. Now, in this program, it's usually run for a duration of 4 semesters, of which you can also travel abroad for a study abroad program, of which I do recommend. Now, you might be asking yourself, is this university actually free? Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, the university is tuition free. Now, the only fee you have to pay at this university is 21 euros and 20 cents. Now, this covers for maybe development levy, internet, and all of those things at the university. But aside from this fee I just mentioned, you pay absolutely no tuition fees. Yes, in Austria, it's really possible. Now, if you're interested in applying to this university, there's an application deadline. So the application itself starts in September, and deadline is 1st March for non-EU applicants. And for EU applicants, the deadline is 1st May. Now, what are the required documents you have to submit? You have to submit the online application form, your CV, and your bachelor's transcripts because you're applying for a master's program, and a B2 in English. You can show your IELTS or your TOEFL, or better still, if you're from an English-speaking country, then you can get a letter from your university stating that you were taught in English at your previous degree. This is definitely going to fly. But if you're from a non-English-speaking country, then you have to show the IELTS or TOEFL, or make reference to the website of this university to get further information. Now, the only disadvantage about this university is that it offers just 2 programs for business field. So if you're not in the business field, it's already a bigger disadvantage to you. But then again, if you're interested in switching to the business field, then you can also make reference to the university's website to see what requirements you have to fulfill in order to apply for this university. So there you have it, a university in Austria that offers absolutely free tuition. Don't sleep on this one, jump on it and start preparing your applications. And I wish you all the best if you're applying to this university. Until the next one, I love you guys. Stay focused, stay motivated. Peace out.